welcome back to We Love Orchids. We are in the second week of July, and if you remember the end of June, we did a video of just spikes on many of our wonderful orchids. Right, babe?
Yep. What
do we have here?
We have the MTDM honey butter with all her beautiful blooms. The little angel has her wings to the back.
So if you remember, this is the remounted honey butter that we did a few months ago.
Yep.
And the second spike that we got from this wonderful orchid has been giving us plenty of spikes over the years. I know there's some orchid lovers out there who have this plant but haven't been able to get it to spike and bloom. So we always love to show you what has happened with our honey butter. All right, cool.
Yep.
And then right next to it, we also presented the Dendrobium Cookie Red.
Yep. Dendrobium Cookie Red.
And this time, how many spikes we got, babe?
Just one, because she was repotted, of course. But she did pretty good.
There's still like one more to open up, but we're filming it today because we can't wait for it. That's our lovely Dendrobium Cookie Red. Then next to the Dendrobium is this wonderful Phalaenopsis.
Jillian.
The Jillian. It hasn't really opened up yet, but you can see they're getting bigger.
Yep, they're plumping up.
And that's gonna look really nice.
Yep.
Cool. All right, babe. So here is the BC Belua Brandine. And this is, as I stated in the last video, big, beautiful bloom.
With beautiful stripes on the lips, on the
Look
big
at that.
fat lip.
Wonderful. I really love this one. And where did we get this one from?
From Wade's Orchid.
From Wade's Orchid. So
shout out to Wade.
So hopefully he'll see this and he'll be like happy that it's been blooming for us. Thank you, Wade. Then off to the side, we didn't record it for the end of June spikes, but this is I can't read it. What is it? Oh, Maxillaria?
Verabilis.
Verabilis. Is this one of those coconut orchids?
It's a family, but this one doesn't have a scent.
Oh, okay.
She's cute.
So that's a tiny little yellow flower.
Yeah, that one is under our care.
Yeah.
Only one.
So I just wanted to show that also. Alright, so another part of our orchid grow area. This is our Dendrobium Pixie Charm. And as always, it always has this little bunch of flowers. I think they're gorgeous.
This is the mama bear.
So there's one next to it, which is right over here.
That's the mama bear.
That's the mama?
That's the mama.
And it's gonna bloom soon too, a lot of them.
Yeah, I need to take her to the hair salon and take off all those dead leaves.
She'll fix her up really nice.
Yes.
Alright, so this is our famous Dendrobium Pixie Charm. Babe, what do we have here?
This is a Brassivola nodosa that opened a few days ago. She got scrunched up with the leaves, but I took her out.
Alright.
Hopefully she'll open up more.
There it goes. It always gives us one flower.
Yeah. I believe once she becomes bigger and grows offshoots, she'll give us more flowers.
Alright.
She's a good baby.
So she's hanging up on one of the top shelves, above the top shelf.
Yep.
We also have the TST Melinda Marie Blue Fairy. If you remember, I said that this is a gift to my wife. The spike was not under our care, but it had closed buds, and now it has opened up. You like it, babe?
I love it. She's so beautiful, and she smells like grape juice.
Oh yeah.
For somehow.
All right, cool.
She smells lovely.
All right.
Yummy, yummy.
All right, so this is the last of the blooms that we're going to show. Many of these happen in June. this Ethel's Paradise, CTNA, the BC Sunny Delight. It has the two blooms over here, but what's going on in the back, babe?
That was the new flower that it gave us.
Yeah.
It's smaller because the cane is smaller.
It's a different color too. This one seems more orange, and this one's yellow.
Because this one recently from like a pinkish oranges turned into yellow recently. So these are getting more darker because they're soon going over, but not yet. They still have a good time to
as
go.
always, I always show this potting that my wife did, but it's working.
Yeah, look at that new growth right there.
All
Beautiful.
right. So then we have the Dendrobium exotic sunlight. Oh, that was in June. And then next to it is the BLC Hawaiian Leopard
Mei
Ling. And these are the ones that we showed in the end of June that were closed. They opened up. And how many are there, babe?
There's 4 on that
One,
cane.
2, 3, 4.
And there's 3 on the
And then
other.
there's another one that just came out next to it.
Yep. It hasn't opened yet.
All right.
This is the first time we have so many blooms that are gonna be open.
Cool. So look at this wonderful area full of flowers, orchids. Okay, so this is the area where we have our most flowers and new spikes and soon to have blooms. So we hope that you enjoyed this video as always. And remember, we love orchids and you should love orchids also.
You better.
All right, take care. Bye.
Bye. Mwah.